to recover WhatsApp View Once photos. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Then go to the chat where there is View Once photo. Now, simply click on the View Once photo, and to recover it, there's no one way to recover. So what you can do is take your another phone and take a picture with that to View Once photo. That is the only way to recover your photo in another phone. There is no one way or other option to screenshot as well, so you will need to take picture from another phone. This is how to recover WhatsApp View Once photos. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.